Right, so bit of an unboxing video. A gift I've been sent. So far as I know, I suspect this might be the gift from Mikey the Pikey, but I actually don't know yet. So I've got a knife and everything. I'll open it and see. So it's genuinely, I haven't opened this one. It's the first time I've ever done a video where I haven't opened something first. So once I get in there and I'll see what it is, and I'll know who sent it to me. Nice one. Even wrapped up like a Christmas present in wrapping paper. Good bit of wrapping there as well. Right, so late Christmas present to open. Right, this is definitely from Mikey. He sent me a message the other day saying that he had sent me, see that there? And there, teapot clips. Survival teapot. Oh, that's excellent. Right, and he said it's near enough an entire bushcraft camp in a teapot. Oh, nice. That's excellent. I truly think that is absolutely brilliant. That's fucking sorry, that's bloody excellent. Oh, I'm impressed. Right. So I'll put that there. I'll get this out and have a look. Right. So we got the bag, and I could read out what it says on the list. Maybe depends if I'm going to take it out or not. If I'm one of them people who take it out, I can never get things back in it. But it says on the thing, tactical teapot. Teapot, coffee, soup broth ×2, emergency blanket, cup with handle, bow gut 2 × 30 foot, camo cloth filter, tin foil, paracord, jute twine, needle selection, water purification tab ×10, firelighters ×5, vegetable stock. Where was I? Vegetable stock, salt and pepper, super glue, knife, mini multi-tool torch, ferro rod, diarrhea tablets, survival saw, fishing reel, fishing kit, hooks, lures, pike wire, rabbit snare, screw-in eyelets for making a rod, 2 times spools of industrial nylon cotton cord. That's absolutely brilliant. I'm impressed, Mikey, I like that. Alright, so there's the teapot. Oh, more tape. £60 monoline for hook lengths. I'll try and remember what order this was taken out. Pike pike trace wire, and on the back it's got all these things. Oh nice, look at this. I'm impressed with this. Truly am. This is such a brilliant idea. Very, very clever, Mikey. Just gonna take a photograph, put on Facebook while I'm here. So I'm very impressed with this so far. So far I can see 2 of the coffees, survival saw, super glue. There's even another cup in here. If you can hear a weird noise in the background, that's the dog licking the sofa. Sorry about this, just thought I'd better just take some photographs while I'm here. Because once I've took this out of here, I'm probably gonna not be able to put it back in as good, so. Right, I might not take it all out, I might take half it out. So we've got coffee, 2 decent wire saws, I can see line here, a little knife there, a little knife, cool. That's a decent little knife as well. That feels sharp to me. God, fuck me. If I was going to cut my hand then. Ferro rod. See if I can zoom in a bit. Ferro rod there, line. Oh, I can see the eyelets here. Firelighters. Don't want to take. It's weird. I don't want to take it out because I can't get it back in again. Super glue. Small multi-tool. I'm impressed by this cup as well. Actually, I'll let the cup out. I can get the cup out. No, better not. Salt and pepper. Fishing hooks. stock cubes. Wound clean and wipe. Diarrhea tablets. There's even a fishing thing in here, like an a reel. Looks like waxed cord, making a bowstring. There's the survival blanket, tin foil, water purifying tablets there. Oh, it has got, yeah, look, a handle there to the cup. Got paracord wrapped around the cup. We've got inside here, there's tin foil there, emergency blanket, water purifying tablets, that's the jute twine, a cup of soup, another cup of soup, and at the bottom there, more filtered stuff. I'm impressed. It's actually a really good setup because you've got two things for boiling water in, and I always think that's a very important thing in my opinion. This is pretty amazing. And you've got a bag to carry it in, or to, well, you can even collect stuff in it once you've made a camp. I'm impressed. So we've got potential shelter, fire, water, hunting, fishing, cutting tools. Yeah, even got a torch in it. Make a fishing rod. That butterfly stitches, yeah, like I said, the steri strips, but you know what I mean, like, you know, sutures, whatever. It's amazing. Well, I'm well and truly impressed by that. That's a brilliant idea as well. So I'm going to try and get it back in a minute. But Mikey, honestly, I can't say thank you enough for that. That's absolutely brilliant. That's like, you know, 50 Christmas presents in one, if you know what I mean, with all the stuff in it. Thanks a lot, mate. I really do mean that, you know, much appreciated. I'll see if I can think of something to send you back. Great idea though. So that's just two bits, you know, two things to boil water in, you know, water purifying stuff, firelighting stuff, hunting, fishing stuff, shelter stuff. Like he said, he messaged me and said it's like an entire camp in a pot. And it is, you know, I think that's brilliant. So, like I said, check Mikey's channel out as well, Bushcraft and Fishing with the Pikey. I'll put links and everything in the description and all that. Have a look at his. Because obviously, you know, he knows what he's doing and he's made an absolutely brilliant kit here for me. Impressive. I really like this idea, it's brilliant. Alright, so thanks a lot, Mikey, and I truly do mean that. And thanks to everyone else for watching and subscribing and commenting. Alright, cheers for that, and I'll see you later.